Yeah!
We call ourselves B&K,
Blazing K!
Yeah.
May special guest po for today. Galing Cavite rin to. He's from Death Threat. Palakpakan po natin si Conflict!
Thank you, man.
African him. Come on, man. Come on.
Hey!
Ano sasabihin natin?
He knows what it
Halika
is.
dito, halika dito.
Alam niya ginawa niya eh.
Ito, bisita ko to galing sa ibang bansa, South Africa. Come up on the stage, man. Come on. Come up, come up. Come up. Para hindi ako naintindihan nito Single. Come up here, man. Yan naman yung buhok niya. Yung buhok niya. Come on, man. Show that Afro pop. Come on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Elwin. Come on. Okay. Yan. Ay! Ano yun? Excited. Oh, I'll call you down. Alright, y'all. Here we go.
Iba na yun.
Teka lang, lakihan natin yung stage. Oh, lagay natin yung stage. Bago po lahat, maraming salamat po sa SMB. My man, Dan.
Thank you, Dan.
Shout out to
Dan.
Marvin, Shannon,
SMB.
Juana, and Karen. Yan, here. Yan. Okay, bigyan po natin siya ng konting... Mamaya na, ha? Mamaya na. Later, ha?
Tabi ka muna dyan kaya.
Tabi.
Meron tayo.
Okay, bago natin simula, promote ko lang, meron po akong album, hindi ko po binibenta to, pinamimigay ko to ngayon para sa iyo, no?
Let me make some noise!
Cavite, baby. Tapos, may lalabas din kaming album, dalawa, Blazing Came. Abangan niyo po yung mga songs na kakantahin namin. Alright, DJ Chris Mix, let's rock this shit! DJ Chris Mix, B&K. Hands up, my hands down. Tell them what you want to do now. Hands up, my hands down. Hands up in the air, Cavite City. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Spasmatical ideas that excel, bring child with their loose lingos, funny well, behold the ultimate fighter, straight old school since 91, that'll make you an amateur, damage your system, shots to the midsection, stay ripped across affliction, late pipe to broads and travels abroad, take advantage of the link, it's your voice not Kane, it's your voice not Kane, put your hands up, hey, every day that's a lie, hands up, my hands down. Back up. Move it, now move out. Tell them what you gonna do now. Roll it. Keep rolling. Go, conflict. Once again, palakpakan po natin si
Conflict. Yo.
Taga saan ka
Yeah.
pala ng Cavite? Taga saan ka sa Cavite?
Tansa Cavite po.
Sa Cavite.
Maraming salamat,
Ayos.
Kapitenyo.
Okay. Siya nga pala. Bago ko. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yo,
Thank you,
supportan
thank
natin
you.
ang album ni Conflict, ha?
Oh,
Sa
album ni-
solo.
Single.